Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 137th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is how to use 2D method, translate 2D, that we have done in the previous program. We start with doctype HTML, HTML tag, head tag. Now style type equals to text slash css as box shadow 2 pixel 2 pixel and 5 pixel line. Transition margin left, transform equals to translate x minus 300 pixel. Now we'll end style tag, head tag, body tag equals to box now we'll end DAV tag, body tag, and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 137 with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. This PC and HTML folder 137 program. This is our basic output of how to use translate 2D method, and if we move arrow over here, this is division 1, then it will disappear, and after we'll take our arrow, it will reappear again. So don't forget to check the tags in description for the clear and basic understanding, and please like, share and subscribe the channel for the amazing HTML videos.